Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 most untapped TikTok Shop winning products. These products are not saturated yet, and I think have high potential to go viral. Most winning products you see on TikTok already have so much competition because so many creators are already promoting them. So the smarter way to succeed on TikTok Shop is to find products that have not blown up yet. And these are the products that I'm going to show you today, and they're just beginning to get traction. So I believe they have high probability that will do really well. So first, let's come into Kalodata, which is the TikTok Shop product research tool that I like to use. It makes finding winning products so much easier. So if you want to follow along, I will include a direct link to a free trial access in the description down below. And once you're logged in, this is the dashboard that you'll see. And the first step we're going to do is to come to the product tab here on the top. So let's click on product. And one great thing about Kalodata is that you can set filters here on the left-hand side in order to find the winning products. So we're looking at the last 30 days, as you can see. And you can also select the different category that you sell in. So for example, if you sell in sports and outdoor, or if you want to look for products in the beauty and personal care niche, you could do that. I'll just leave it at all categories for this example. And for the revenue filters, I like to go with at least 10,000. So that means the product have sold at least $10,000. So that shows that clear demand. And in terms of the revenue growth rate, I will go with at least 30%. So compared to the previous 30 days, it needs to have at least 30% in revenue growth. And in terms of the average unit price, I will go with 20 to 100 so that the product is not too low in price and it's also not too high in price. It's somewhat in the middle. So I think that's a sweet spot. And then for the creator number, what I like to do here is to set a maximum number of 80. So that means that we are going to exclude any products that have more than 80 creators promoting them. And I find this to be a really good filter in order to find the more untapped products. Because let me show you one of these more popular products. So let's come here and click on this Shock Power Pro, which is a really popular product right now. In the last 30 days, they have done over $4.65 million in sales. And if you come down here to the products, you can see there are over 700 creators promoting this product. So to me, that's pretty saturated. And if you look at the #1 products in the last month, and I'll just show you here, which is this product, you come down here and you see that there are more than 4,300 creators promoting this product. And not to say that these products don't work, they can, but in this video, we're trying to find the more untapped products, right? So that's why we set these kind of filters. So let's come down here and re-enter the creator number. Like we said, 80, click on apply. And then we have all the filters ready. And then let's click on submit. And then we see the results here on the right-hand side. We can see the product info here, the revenue generated in the last 30 days, the revenue trend graph. So you can quickly see if they're trending, the revenue growth rate, the number of items sold. Here we have the average unit price, the commission rate of the product, and also the highest revenue videos. So everything's super clear. So you can see this information all at a glance. So now let me go ahead to look for the winning products. All right, so the first product that I found is this one, which is a neck barrier cream or anti-aging cream. It's a Korean skincare product, which is definitely a really trending niche. So it has a pretty good ratings at 4.4 stars out of 5, over 280 reviews, and this is the price point. Commission is really great at 30%. And if you look at the trend graph here, it's starting to blow up just recently. And in the last 30 days, it has generated $66,000 in revenue. And if we go look at the last 7 days, and most of that revenue was generated in the last 7 days. So that's a pretty good sign. So let's come down here. And we can see that there are only 42 creators promoting this product. So that's not that many. And let's come down here and look at a product demo. So let's go ahead to look at this one. So this video has generated 95,000 views and generated over $4.36 thousand in revenue sales. So let's take a look at the video.
Are you getting a turkey neck? The minute you've seen skin laxity around the neck, it should be treated. Due to the lack of oil glands, we need to constantly moisturize and hydrate the delicate neck area. Korean beauty Dr. Maleksin has formulated Neck Vault Cream. When used morning and night, it supports appearance of a smoother looking neck. Don't forget sunblock.
So that was the product. So in the beginning, she included this visual hook and then just demonstrated how to use the product and then described the benefits. And at the end, just show the actual product. And skincare product tends to do really well on TikTok Shop. And I'll just show you if you come to category. go to category ranking, and you can see that beauty and personal care products is consistently on the top of the rankings. So it's always a good type of product to sell, especially on TikTok Shop. So let's move on to product number 2, which is this folding camping chair that I found, or it's also called stowaway rocker. So there's the product right here, and here are the product photos. So let's take a look at this. It's a relatively newer product, decently rated. It's a decent price because a similar chair sells for almost double the price. They do have a lower commission rate though, but I think that's something that could be negotiated once you are beginning to get sales, because once you have social proof, it's very common that the sellers are willing to pay you more. And in the last 30 days, we are looking at $97,000 of sales, and you can see that it is recently trending up as well. So let's come down here. And in terms of the number of creators, there are 133 creators. So it's not that high of a number. And let's come down here and let's look at a product demo.
It's gonna piss some travel ball moms off, but I'm not paying $95 for a freaking rocking chair when I just got this one off the TikTok shop for way less. And don't worry, it still has the mesh back, so you don't have to get a massive swamp ass when you're rocking in it. I picked one up for my husband too while they're having this crazy good deal right now. Plus I saw on the back end that some people were even getting coupons. I'm glad my big tumbler can fit right in the cup holder, because if I'm stuck in the 95-degree heat watching my sons play lacrosse and baseball, you bet I need some adult beverages. I mean water. Sweet Crispy was running their pre-summer sale on these rocking chairs. I'll tag these chairs down below if you don't want to pay $95 either.
So I think this product has a really high potential because right now it's a seasonal item. People are going to like their kids' baseball games or like going out camping. And another reason why I think this is a good item to sell is because people can buy multiple quantities of this item. So let's say if you promote this product in your video, they click on your link and they check out with like 3 of these, you get credit for all 3. So I think that's a huge, huge plus. And let's say if you want to export this script because you think it's a winning script or you want to modify it, you can just come to click on more and then just click on transcript export. And then the script will be exported in just a matter of seconds. And then you'll see the exact script of this video. So let's say if you want to like modify this or use this as like inspiration, you can just copy it and paste it in your document and then you are able to edit it. Or you can just come to click on script optimizer and then it will bring you to the screen and then it's going to break down the script and then help you write your own high converting script. So Kalodata is also really good at helping you coming up with your own script as well as finding winning products. So let's come back out here and look at our product number 3. So there's the winning products number 3 that I found, which is a smart camera glasses. There's a product right here. You can see that it's recently trending up. In the last 30 days, it sold over $130,000. Decent reviews, not that many though. It's a pretty new product on the platform. This is the price point and decent commission rate at 10%. And let's come down here. There are 67 creators promoting this product, so that's a pretty low number. And let's come down here to look at a product demo.
Wow, these are just like the Meta ones. These are the video recording glasses for a fourth of the price. I have the real ones, so let's compare. These are quite literally the same thing. Which ones are the real ones? Don't know. You can definitely see the size difference on the sides. These ones are the real ones. They're a little thinner. Let's turn these suckers on. These video recording glasses can do everything the Meta ones can do. They can record, they can take pictures, they can take calls, listen to music, AI detection, and even real-time translation. Here's the regular Meta video. So comparable. If you want to save yourself about $200, they're actually on sale right now as well, so you can save some more coin. I don't know why you would want the real ones.
So with this product, the price point is definitely a selling point because it's a fraction of a price of the original one. And I think it's a really practical item. So I think has really high potential. So let's look at product number 4, which is a walking vibration pad. This is a product right here. In the last 30 days, it has generated over $64,000 in revenue. And you can see the graph is clearly trending up recently. Pretty good reviews, and the commission rate is also at 10%. Let's come down here. Very little creators are selling this product at 24 creators. And let's come down here to look at a product demo. And let's look at this one.
Sometimes it's too hot, sometimes it's too cold. Most of the time, I really just don't feel like going outside. That's why I bought a walking pad. Now, whenever I don't feel like leaving the house, I will pull this out, turn on my favorite show, put it on 3.5, and get a full hour in. That gives me 7,500 to 10,000 steps, all from the comfort of my living room. Now, if you're serious about maintaining your health, making movement easier and removing every excuse, make sure you click that orange card and get a walking pad. Your health gets a whole lot easier when you stop relying on motivation and start setting yourself up for success.
So I think this product has really high potential because we're approaching summer in a few months. So I think a lot of people would like to get in shape. So I think this type of fitness products have potential to do really well. So here's the last product that I'm going to share today, which is a portable glass teapot. Here is the product. This is what it looks like. Very good ratings at 4.5 stars, almost 400 reviews. Here's the price point, and here is the commission rate at 12%. In the last 30 days, we are looking at over $50,000 in sales, and you could clearly see that is recently trending upwards. And most of the sales came from the last few days. So let's come down here, and then I'll show you exactly what this product is. Only 58 creators are promoting this item. And when we come down here, and let's look at a product demo. Let's go with this one.
Easy Christmas gift idea for someone who loves to drink tea. Right here, you could brew loose leaf tea and it pours right into the cup, and this comes off and you can drink right from it. Even comes with a cute carrying case as well, and this is tea made at home easily. Look at this. Also, loose leaf teas like this right here is way better than tea bags, because these tea bags sometimes carry little microplastics in here and it leaches into the tea. And sometimes you don't even know what kind of tea you're getting in there. It's just a lot of it. Most of the time, it's just like tea leaf dust and not actual tea leaves like this.
So I think this is a really practical item, and it's a really cool gift idea. So I think it has potential to do really well. So that's all for this video. That was the 5 most untapped products on TikTok Shop right now. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.